Hello everyone, this is S.M. Umair, School Manager, CMSOE under the aegis of Jharkhand Education Project Council. You know that we are going to conduct pre-test 1 and pre-test 2 for class 10 and 12 children before the CBSE examination. And our teachers are going to evaluate their papers. So the certain points are there which I wanted to share with all the respective teachers, learned teachers, and the principal of the respective schools. So the first point is, you are aware that evaluation is the most Yes, so you are aware that evaluation is the most important process in the actual and the correct assessment of the students. So a small mistake in the evaluation may lead to serious problems which may affect the future of the candidates, education system and teaching profession. So to avoid mistakes, it is requested that before starting evaluation, you must go through the marking scheme meticulously. Teachers, you are going to evaluate pre-test 1, 2 examination, and after that CBSE will also appoint you for the spot evaluation also. So these points are going to help you a lot for the CBSE spot evaluation as well. So the second is evaluation to be done strictly as per the instruction provided in the marking scheme. Subject wise, you will be getting the marking scheme, the short answer you will find, a step wise how to award the marks. These all things will be there. So you are requested to adhere to all the points of the marking scheme. It should not be done according to one's own interpretation or any other consideration. Marking scheme should be strictly adhered to and religiously followed. So you have to follow the marking scheme strictly and honestly as well as religiously. So if a question has parts, is most important. If a question has parts, please award marks on the right hand side of each part. We'll keep the part wise if marks, it's not that randomly. Somewhere left, somewhere right, not that. So if a question has parts, please award marks on the right hand side of each part. This we will follow in the pre-test examination as well as the spot evaluation of the board exam also. Marks awarded for different parts of the question should then be total up and written in the left hand margin and encircled. Part wise, if suppose you are giving the marks, left side the final you have to total and you have to encircle the marks question wise. This may be followed strictly, please. If a question does not have any parts, marks must be awarded in the left hand margin and encircled. If suppose a particular question has no parts, so for the in toto, for that particular question, you will award the marks in the left hand side and that has to be encircled. This also to be followed strictly. If a student has attempted an extra question, the answer of the question deserving more marks should be retained and the other answer scored out. Suppose a student has answered any extra question, so what you have to do, teachers, that wherever the child is getting more marks, that has to be taken in account and you will cancel that particular answer which is where the child is getting less marks. That's very important. You have to take care. Please do not hesitate in awarding full marks if the answer deserves it. Sometimes I have seen that the examiner, they hesitate. The child is deserving 100, but they put 99. No, not at all. If the child is deserving 100 marks, please award 100. Please award 100. And please make sure that the following common types of error should not be committed. That is, first is leaving answer or part of unassessed on answer book. You have to be careful that any part of the answer should not be unassessed. You have to check all the page to make sure that the no question is unchecked. Giving more marks for an answer that assigned to it, that also not to be done, and wrong totaling of marks. You have to carefully in totaling the marks, half of the part of the answer marked correct and the rest wrong, but no marks awarded. So if the half answer is correct, award the marks, isn't it? It's not that you will not award the marks. And examiner, please note, answer given in the marking scheme are only suggestive. If any other answer is possible, you have to consider that answer also. You have to award the marks. And lastly, examiners are requested to accept all possible alternative correct answer, if any. Thank you so much.